and our highlight animal is hello! Oh, reindeer! It's a reindeer. If you look to your right, these three antelopes with no horns are called impala. They have very slim legs and are known to be fast runners and fleet runners in the savannah. But despite that, they can run 90 kilometers per hour and can jump 3 meters high with a cover distance of 12 meters. Males have horns while females do not. Aside from our three impalas, if you can see that beauty with horns, that is known as Thompson's gazelle. They are the smallest antelope here in our savannah as their maximum height is only 70 centimeters. Despite their very cute size, they can actually run 80 kilometers per hour and can jump 3 meters high. Males have horns that are longer and thicker than the females.
That's so much more.